Hello viewers, welcome back again to our course ReactJS portfolio website development for teams. Today we are on lesson 1.15 where we are going to be talking about planning your first JS projects. So today we're going to focus on planning your React project or things which needs to be taken care of, things which needs to be considered before deploying your project, before deploying your portfolio website. So here are the things we should focus on this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should have mastered the following things. So before submitting or sharing your portfolio, you must clean and review your code. Clean codes must not just is not just about removing errors. It is about making your code readable, removing unused files, writing helpful comments, and ensure your project runs perfectly from a fresh install. This is a professional habit that separates good developers from great ones. So a clean code is easier to read, maintain, debug, and expand. So you must organize the components. So when talking about organizing the components, here are our components. The about JSX, contact CSS, contact JSX, the footer CSS. So here are our components. So they must organize well in such a way that they can be understood, not just to become scattered. So you must be able to access the footer, the conduct, about, hero, regimes, hero section CSS. And also removing unused code, delete unused variables, unused components, and unused imports. For example, if we talk, let's just talk visit the app JSX5. You need to check if there are files you have imported which you are not using. So you can see our imports are clean. There is nothing that needs to be removed. You can go on the skills JSX. Same. You should do all this in all your files to check on whether have you not imported uh, unused imports or unused components. For example, import footer from footer. If you are not using it, you must remove it. And if you are using it, then it must be imported. So when we talk of the footer, we'll be talking about this section, or this is the footer. And how Fred Mapura branding in the AI exists. Quickly, so this is our footer. Uh, so consistent naming. Use hero section .jsx instead of hero section JSX. Formatting code. Use here for format document. Use best practices. So when creating your project, you must commit regularly. After each and every section you have completed, you must commit it. Whether it's updating or it's starting the file from scratch, you must commit. So here is the process how to commit. I'll just show you so I don't have my though my project is not yet linked on GitHub. So you say git add as I've not linked. Then you go on git commit -m Let's just say created a hero section. Please take note that I'm just showing you. I am not yet linked my my portfolio to the GitHub because there's another one which is there, so it will affect my code. So it's just a demonstration. So after doing this, search it push. These are the commands you are going to use when committing your when these are the commands you are going to use in your files. Make sure each and every thing you updated on your project is updated, is committed before you move to the next folder. Committing every adjustment you made, it helps because if you face bug, face is commit or where the error is rather than committing everything all at once. Committing everything all at once not it have some efforts. Maybe. Uh, then the security reminder, never commit your password, your API keys, or your personal because uh, your repository may be accessed by anyone without restriction. So if you commit your passwords, your API keys, or your personal credentials, they can be used by hackers, they can be used by scammers, they should compromise your website. And also if the scammers use your credentials, it might compromise your brand, it might compromise your name. So you need to re- get rid of such activities, get rid of such things. So most software teams enforce code reviews before code can be made into production projects. So reviews helps you to correct some errors or mistakes that you might think they need to be adjusted. So here are the checklist, code cleaning checklist, remove all placeholders like lorem ipsum text, delete in unused components or CSS, remove consoles, uh, add a short JS comment above each component function. Project cleanliness checklist, all images are in the public or images folder with descriptive names. All component files are in the source components folder. Index CSS is only global styles common. So this is what you need to get rid of. So and also every project must have a README file. A README file is a file which explains who is the owner of the website, what technologies did you use, the sections, how to run it locally, how to install node packages, and how to run it. Let's say, so that's all about things we're going to meet on our last lesson where we'll be talking about basic portfolio submission walkthrough. Thank you. See you on the next lesson.